Hello, it's Wednesday, August the 17th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The US dollar traded mixed against most of the major currencies despite positive economic data and an optimistic speech of President Barack Obama. President Obama told an audience in rural Iowa that the US economy will come back stronger than before after the worst recession in decades, as he sought to regain the initiative on the economic debate. Obama said the recovery must be led by small businesses and entrepreneurs and isn't going to be driven by Washington. In addition, industrial production in the US climbed in July by 0.9%, the most this year. Stock markets closed negative after 3 days of gains. The Dow fell by 0.67% and the NASDAQ lost 1.24%. The main reason is continuing concern that the European debt crisis may worsen. Crude fell by 0.90%, closing at $87 a barrel, and gold strengthened by 1.70%, closing at $1,786 an ounce, as a sagging European economy spurred demand for the precious metal. The euro fell against the US dollar after German and French leaders rejected the issuance of bonds by the European currency region to contain its sovereign debt crisis. German leader Merkel said, "I don't think Europe has used its last resource yet, and I don't think we can resolve the problem with a single big bang policy." In addition, German GDP, adjusted for seasonal effects, grew 0.20% versus 0.30% forecast. Trading above the support level of 143.80 will keep the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 143.51 and a high of 144.76. Today, core CPI is expected to grow by 1.7% versus 1.6% previously. The pound strengthened against the greenback after a report showed UK inflation accelerated more than economists forecast, reducing the likelihood the central bank will inject further monetary stimulus into the economy. The trend for the pair remains bullish if the pair maintains its support level of 163.50, but if it should break that support, it may reach 161.50. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 163.17 and a high of 164.76. The yen again fluctuated against the dollar after Japan indicated that it's ready to intervene in foreign exchange markets. The dollar yen has been struggling in the 76.50, 76.90 range. As long as the pair is trading below 77.10, the yen is the more attractive. A short position is preferred if the pair should break below 76.30. Overall, the dollar yen traded with a low of 76.59 and a high of 77.09. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This fell against its US counterpart due to a decline in oil prices. In addition, manufacturing sales were worse than expected after falling minus 1.50% versus minus 0.30% forecast. The trend for the pair will be bullish provided it maintains its support level of 0.9820. Today, foreign securities purchases is expected to grow by 10.33 billion versus 15.40 billion previously. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.